inviter maintenant des invités pour donner leur impression au sujet de notre Jalsa. J'invite.
Assalamu alaikum. Aywa mananga dona chado bisimila. Ale bola Gambie jamana kono kana ansegareya. Balimaya yɛrɛ kama kanu yɛrɛ kɔnɔna na. Aywa nga missionnaire dɔ fana mi bɛ États-Unis Abdoulaye Diba o wolofa do. Min bɛ deli ka MTA lajɛ o karamɔgɔcɛ dɔn kosɛbɛ. Donc an bɛna balimacɛ Seku Umar Diba o wele a ka na dakurunya dama dama fɔ jama ye inshallah.
Nare takbir Ahmadiyya de Gambie.
Assalamu alaikum. Mr. Chairman, the Amir, Mali Jama'at, Naib Amirs, the missionaries, the three auxiliary bodies of Ansarullah, Majlis Ghulam Ahmadiyya, Lajna, the president and era presidents represented here, and the entire gathering. I say salam to you all.
Nare takbir Muhammad al-Mustafa Ghulam Ahmad ki Ghulam Ahmad ki Nare takbir Ahmadiyya de Gambie Ahmadiyya de Gambie Ahmadiyya de France Ahmadiyya de Kuchala Nare takbir.
Aywa ina fo abaraka amechogomi Gambika uka chidene ale abura Gambi kana uka Naib Amir do kana talike Mali Jalsala o ako kuma damnena alibe fuli bla kalifaka chide la ani Mali Amiru ani Naib Amiru ani missionnaire munube kene kayanno ani président Ahmadiyya Jama'atu okumana Ahmadiyya Jama'atu konana o kulu munum bey inafo Majlis Ansarullah Majlis Ghulam Ahmadiyya lajna ila o chorobaw demsenu ani muso luka kulu munu Jama'atu kono ko alibe fulibla o bela jelela ani jama feon fembe kene kayanno I
feel singularly honored to address this very important gathering, and I say thank you very much for giving me that privilege of addressing the gathering.
Ako ale nosonjale bado ale bonyene do kaye ka fo kuma dira ale mayasa ale kaseka dakunya flafo ni kene barakama inka okumana alibe fuli di nyamugo ma munuye ni bunyen di alima.
I extend salam from Amir Sahib de Gambia, Mr. Tarawale, and the entire Jama'at of the Gambia to you all.
Ako Gambi Jama'atu nyamaba nuwe amiruye abuka fulikan lase auma ani Gambi Jama'atu ma bela jeleka fulikan abu lase auma.
I am here in Bamako. So I'm on leave, actually on leave. But before I started my leave, I decided to go to a neighboring country where there is an active Ahmadi Jama'at. And I chose Mali to come here to spend my leave and to coincide my visit with this very interesting Jalsa.
Ako ale lafiemba wati ta bara kono yasaka wati kununge lafiena o wati ngurunin konana aleye alla nyini ka munmunu dafa jamanaw na Ahmadiyya jama be yoro mununa yasa kata bo ulula o kuma na aye o tamay ben ni jalsa ye yasa abisaka na kana talike jalsa la chugumi.
Nare takbir. Jama'at Islamique de Gambie.
Mali is taking a very important standing in Africa in terms of Jama'at Ahmadiyya. You are a very active Jama'at, and we hear very interesting news about this Jama'at. So please keep it up.
Ako Mali jome joro bala o Ahmadiyya bunakuka farafina konana ani Ahmadiyya be nyeta mina ani chesiri mini farfoni mbe ala okumana oye konyuma baye o farafina Ahmadiyya jamakulu chela ako alebe anyini Mali Ahmadiyya ofe oka o chesiri ni o jijai oka ato dumile.
Just to remind ourselves, the most important mission of Jama'at Ahmadiyya worldwide is to spread the message of the community, the message of Imam Mahdi and the community, and in that process to obtain as many bayats as we can. And I believe you are trying very hard in that direction.
Ako nyo hakila jigila baraba mimbe Ahmadiyya jamakulu bolo jinye kono odeye ka okumana Ahmadiyya ka wele ka ko cheri fa bela jele fe yasa o ma kura munu be na kana fara Ahmadiyya ka uluka sika chaya kuma ale dambala ka fo Mali jama'atu be ka barake ni chesiri bela jele ni Israel ve koni.
In any country, the activities and programs of the Ahmadiyya community can be frustrated by the government, or the government can decide to allow people to exercise their civic right by joining the Jama'at.
Ako yoro bela jele jamana bela jele ni alahliyadu o yoro dawla Ahmadiyya ka baraw olu be sumaya o sina be sumaya ka da sharia do ka yoro do fanana ibita soro jamana be siradi Ahmadiyya ma akaka welew ke akachugula kaka wajulu ke akachugula mamunu ba fe kana Ahmadiyya fa fe kana okumana ina fo ba fe chugumina.
We are informed that religious freedom is exercised in this country. So on that note, we want to salute the government of the day and the communities and the community leaders in the country.
Ako kuna foli min sera oluma ode ka fo Mali jamana kemme ka dine ko daha okumana ko di bela jele ma bebsi ka dine ke ina fo ba fe chugumi o ko o sababu yala alebe foli kerengere ni nyeshi Mali jamana famaw ma marake bawma olu minye okumana dine ko lafia ana daha di mo ma chugumi ani kulu fe on fe be dine ko bunakuka Mali jamana kono alebo befo.
Back at home in the Gambia, there's a lot of religious freedom, although the mullahs are trying to make life hard for us. But their efforts and all what they are doing is not retarding the progress of the Jama'at at all.
Ako chendo Gambi jamana fana be ochokele la dine yerma horea dime bela jelema ibisika dine ke ina fo ba fe chugumi. Ako nga owati kele fala la karamogo do be o ka jamana kono yinno munu be ka wulika job bela jele ke yasaka Ahmadiyya ka barao ka ulu lasa. Ako nga ulu ka chesiri nuka wulika job bela jele sika foi bo Ahmadiyya ka nyeta la Gambi kono nana.
Allahu Akbar. Zinabad.
In Africa, people who are 60 years and above, they don't understand Ahmadiyya at all.
Ako farafina kono yoro chamana iba ka fo mamnu ni ulu shibe sambi woro sanve Ahmadiyya famya ka gele ulu chamamulu.
Because they misunderstand our mission, they turn out to be enemies against the Jama'at.
Ko kadaka Ahmadiyya famia juguya fe ani Ahmadiyya nyefora ulu ye fotogo jugu mina o kra sababu ye ka ulu yelema ka o ke Ahmadiyya jugu ye.
So therefore it is important we focus on children and young people. We should target children and young people and spread the message of the community to them and give them correct tarbiyat. That way we can make a very important gain in our respective countries.
Ako o sababu ya koso anga anyeshi demsani uma ani shifila kao ka Ahmadiyya walanda di uluma di tuko nyumana waka ulu la famya ko lamo tuko nyumana okumana ode besika ke sababu ka fanga do ani nyeta bado okumana anga barala.
Nare takbir.
So therefore, Khudamal Ahmadiyya, Mali, you have a big task ahead of you.
Ako ni sababu ya ngoso Khudamal Ahmadiyya nuye Ahmadiyya shifila ka we uluka kulu alebe anyeshi uluma kerengana ka afuye ko barababe ulu denye.
And Lajna Imaila,
Ani musoka kulu nuye Lajna Imaila ye Ahmadiyya kono.
I say this because in many African countries where you have the Jama'at,
ako abe nimfo kadaka farafina jamana kono na yoro la ni Ahmadiyya be.
There are many families where a man is Ahmadi, the wife is not Ahmadi.
Ako ducha ma de be yoro mi ni ibita soro chede Ahmadiyya ye musoti Ahmadiyya ye.
I don't know what's happening here. I don't know.
Ako nga malikono ale konta do abichugo mina yanno naso otokele do.
But Majlis Ansarullah also have a lot of work to do.
Ako ola Ansarullah jamakuru nuye Ahmadiyya makorobaw ye ko ulu faraka baraka bu kosobe nisrafe.
Those Nasirs who are Ahmadi and their wives are not Ahmadi, we have a lot of work to do at home.
Ako Ahmadiyya makoroba munum be ni ulu chesirimbe Ahmadiyya ko srafe ni o furmuso ani oka atoko di demeya chesirinde Ahmadiyya kula ko ulu kanga bara badeke oka du kono.
And finally, before I came here, I was communicating with Amir Saib.
Ako yana alika se yano ani Amiru kumbe barola.
And when I told him I wanted to come here,
oka jamana Amiru tumanamina ale afo oka jamana Amiru ko ale ba faka na malikono yanno.
He received a message with a very open hand, and I really thank him.
Ako oka Amiru ajara e kosobe ka foko ale be kana talike mali jalsa la ko ajara oluka Amiru kosobe ko kuma na ale oka Amiru fo.
This gathering is very calm. It's very quiet and very calm.
Ako ame kene minga iba ye ka fo kene anyama jole do abasigile do kosobe.
Now I know that our conduct as Ahmadis is different from other sects of Islam.
Ako sisa ale afam ya kosobe ka fo chenre la anga tabolo ananga ko kyachogo ina fo Ahmadiyya. Ako o dambarale no kabo kulu to bela jelenga ko kyachogo la.
Nare takbir. Jama'at Islamique Ahmadiyya.
I thank you all for your attention, and I invite you to the Gambia, our next Jalsa.
Ako kumana alebe au bela jelen fo akani chesirula wa alebe au bela jele invité ninga au wele kata Gambi uluka Jalsa keneka.
Thank you.
Mana ko ofuledo.
Nare takbir. Muhammad Mustafa. Muhammad Khatam Nabi. Nare